Is your Cricut machine not cutting materials properly? Whether it's not cutting deep enough or cutting too much, the issue is often caused by incorrect pressure settings. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the Cricut pressure setting to get clean, accurate cuts. And if you're using a Cricut Explore Air 2, make sure the dial is set to custom. If you have newer Cricut model, simply follow me along. However, if you need extra help, feel free to call the numbers on the screen. Otherwise, let's get started with the following steps. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Go ahead and open up your Cricut Design Space on your computer and get your design all ready to go. When everything looks ready and perfect, click on the Make button in the upper right corner of the Design Space window. Alright, now you'll be taken to the Prepare screen. On this screen, look for and click Browse All Materials. This will open up a list of all different materials Cricut has settings for. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel for more easy Cricut tips and step-by-step guides like this one. Now, scroll down through the material list until you locate the specific material you're trying to cut. Once you find it, click on Edit next to the material. Alright, now you'll see a pressure slider. Go ahead and drag it to adjust the cutting pressure as needed. If your material isn't cutting all the way through, increase the pressure. If it's cutting too aggressively and damaging your material, decrease the pressure. You can also change the pressure from the drop-down menu at the top of the Prepare screen if you prefer. This gives you another way to quickly adjust pressure settings without having to go through the Material Settings menu. So, this way you can easily change the cutting pressure on your Cricut machine to work perfectly with whatever material you're using. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit mannymaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.